Hi, welcome to Rosie Canine Farm. These are two male English chocolate Labrador Retriever puppies. These two are both available and will be ready to go around March 15th of this year. These are the last two that are still available in the litter. And then I do have a couple of new litters that were just born and are a week old, and I do have black boys and girls available, and then just chocolate girls. So this one is a Daffy Duck. He's a very playful, outgoing boy. Huh, yes. Yeah, you don't need to. Here, let me go get Sylvester. You gonna follow me? Come on. Come here. This is the other one, Sylvester. Here, wanna play? So these are two English chocolate lab boys that are available. And then the rest of the litter, there were boys and girls in it, and they are all spoken for already. So we are Rosie Canine Farm, that's ROZEYK, the number 9 farm.com. You can contact us at 616-892-1993, and we'd love to give you some more information on our gorgeous labs that we raise. So this one is Daffy Duck. We gave him a Looney Tune names. So they are 6 weeks old here. They come up to date on their health care. I know, you just love to play, don't you? Here, want a toy? Come up to date on their health care, come with the health records, and then their guarantee. What'd you think, huh, Sylvester? You're just not very playful right now, are you? And then I'll do some updates of the girls in the litter, weights and pictures, and of course of the other boys as well. This way there just won't be so many out at one time, because there's lots of boys in this litter. So we'll just do the two that are still available for those that might be interested in them. I just can't get you to want to play right now. Are you tired, huh? Sylvester is always up for playing, though. I mean, Daffy. This one's Sylvester. Daffy Duck. Here. You guys are making it hard. Alright, so once again we are Rosie Canine Farm, and you can reach us at 616-892-1993. And we'd love to give you some more information on these gorgeous boys. Gotcha. Getcha. Yes. Oh, good boy. There you go, Sylvester. You gonna play a little bit? You're just more calm, aren't you, Sylvester? Daffy's got a nice outgoing personality, he does. Alright, well, we'll say thanks for visiting.